Malacanang said President Aquino was informed of the Serendra blast investigation report before he left for Myanmar this morning. According to Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, the President was satisfied with the report. More from Elena Luna.
President Aquino expressed satisfaction on the initial report given by the Interagency Task Force on the Serendra blast.
We'd like to commend the members of the team for their very thorough work. Nakita po yung presentation nila kanina. They were very thorough, they were very precise, at talagang nakita naman po yung effort that was poured in and the cooperation among the members of the Interagency Investigative Team. Kasama na po dyan ang Secretary of Interior and Local Government na talagang sinigurado po na matutukan at mailabas po at the soonest possible time without sacrificing the quality nung investigasyon.
Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte said the President was informed of the report before leaving for Myanmar.
The President was updated last night. The President was satisfied with the results. Kung matatandaan niyo po, ang mahigpit na bilin ng Pangulo doon sa Interagency Task Force ay siguraduhin that the findings will stand the scrutiny of anyone and that your findings will be based on the evidence that was gathered on site.
According to the official, the President has directed the Interagency Task Force to continue the probe with the same diligence.
Na-rule out na po that the explosion was caused by any device. Na-rule out na po yun at nandun na po sa stage na nasasabi na po ng mga investigador na this is attributable to a gas explosion, most likely LPG. So ang ano po ng Pangulo ay ituloy pa ho natin nung quality nung trabaho natin doon sa investigation.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.